Check out this 2014 Nissan Armada SL. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, air suspension, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, brake-actuated limited-slip differential, aluminum wheels and tow hooks. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.